and give me a thumbs up when you can see the screen. Yes. Give me 2 seconds. I will show you. Okay. I'm seeing that Habib has given me a thumbs up. Gulnaz, Joseph, Anuj, Vivek, Pardeem, Samir, Gullu. Alright, I guess everybody can see my screen. Shifa, amazing. Alright, Tanya, I saw your pre-work, okay? I will reply to it after the class, but it was on point. It was right. I like how you have written your reflections down, okay? Alright. We will quickly move on, guys. Someone who wants to take me through the norms of our class. What are the norms of our class? What are the norms of our class? Anybody? Raise your hand and I will ask you to go through the norms of our class. Okay? Misbah and Shifa. Shifa, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself. No, wait. I'm going to... Okay, Shifa, unmute yourself and make us go through the norms of our class.
Norms of our class, we want to keep our video on and unmute ourselves. When Didi asks you a question, answer in the chat box. Do you want to say anything? Raise your hand. And you are be ready. Anything, thumbs up. And do you like someone answer? Give them clap.
Amazing. Good job, Shifa. Very well done. All right. Okay. So these are the norms of our class. Now be ready with your RC notebook and pen, and we are going to move on. All right. So how many of you were able to do the pre-work? How many of you were able to do the pre-work? Were you able to see this video and were you able to answer these questions? I got it from Faizan, Shifa, Tanya, and one more person had sent it to me. Yes, Huzef, you've raised your hand. Please unmute yourself and ask.
Didi, I see the video and I don't understand what is that video.
Okay, amazing. You don't understand that completely. Okay, we together understand. Okay, Misbah, you've raised your hand. Do you have a doubt? Misbah, you've raised your hand. Do you have a doubt? No, I don't think. Okay, amazing. Now we will go through the first video. Okay, the first video. Didi is going to show us the first video. I'm going to stop my screen first so that Soumya Didi can share her screen. Soumya, can you please play the first video?
Yes. Give me 1 minute. I'll just share my screen.
Thank you. Until then, guys, we are going to look at this video and think of 3 questions. Okay, the first question is, what is happening in this video? This video mein what is happening? Second, you are going to think of how does that make you feel when you look at the video. How does that make you feel? And the third one is, that whatever message the video is giving you, okay? Do you, Vivek, Misbah, Didi trying to, okay, wait, we are going to wait for Didi to speak. Not this one, Soumya, the first one.
Okay, the first one. Give me a minute.
Yeah, the first. All right. Can you also put the subtitles on just in case?
Where is that?
And the last one was, do you agree with the message? Okay, whatever message the video is trying to give you, do you agree with that? Yes or no? If yes, then why? And no, then why? Okay. Once you look at the video, you will understand. Huzef, be very careful to see this video. I will ask you questions. Sahil, be ready. I'm going to ask you questions. Okay, so I want you to pay full attention.
Did you on capture?
Yes,
There is no option for
captions. Okay, amazing. It is in Hindi,
Okay.
so don't worry.
Yes. I'll just start it.
Yeah.
ओ लो 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 लो, लड़के नहीं रोते।
Stop crying, Rohan. Are you a girl? Boys don't cry. Okay? Are you a girl? Why are you crying? Don't behave like a girl. Chalo, boys don't cry. लड़के रोते नहीं। मैंने बोला ना, लड़के नहीं रोते हैं। लड़के रोते नहीं हैं।
लड़के रोते नहीं। Well done. अरे, लड़के नहीं रोते यार।
ओ देवदास, छोड़ ना यार, लड़के ऐसे नहीं रोते।
Comment, can you stop the video? Okay, guys, tell me what is happening in the video. Yes, we will start with Huzaif, then I will come to Sahil. Yes, Huzaif, please
दीदी
unmute.
इसमें वो बॉयज, वो जो बॉय था वो लड़का,
Speak
वो
in English.
the boys is crying in everything.
Okay, the boy is crying and everything. Okay. Okay, and how does that make you feel?
सब बोल रहे थे कि लड़के रोते नहीं, ये लड़के रोते नहीं, ऐसा बोल रहे थे.
Yes, but what does that make you feel, Huzaif? How does that make you feel?
I feel very nice to heard that boys don't मतलब they are giving him क्या बोलते हैं, हौसला दे रहे थे.
Okay, all right. Interesting answer. Thank you so much, Suzette. Yes, I'm going to ask Sahil to unmute himself and share. Sahil, क्या हो रहा था वीडियो में? What is happening in the video?
तो उसको बोल रहे थे क्या, बॉयज लोग को ना रोना नहीं चाहिए, कभी भी नहीं रोना चाहिए.
Very good, very good. And how does that make you feel, Sahil? How did you feel? How did you feel?
Sad.
Sad? Tell me, why did you feel sad, Sahil?
ऐसा टीचर, जब मैं शहर में आता था, फुटबॉल में से एक बॉल मिस हो जाती तो गोल हो जाता था, मेरे को भी ऐसे बुरा लगता था.
Yes, correct. Or when somebody tells you, please don't cry, लड़के रोते नहीं, so how does that make you feel?
Happy.
Happy? Okay. All right. Thank you so much for sharing. There is a very interesting point that Vivek has written in the chat box. Vivek, do you want to come off mute and share? And then I will come to Maru. Yes.
Boy also cry and girl also cry.
Yes. So what
They
does
both
that make
cry.
you feel? How does that make you feel?
Angry.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. All right. Maru, can you come off mute and share what you are feeling? What do you think of this video?
No, miss, गलती से हो गया.
Okay. Okay. Now we are going to watch another video and you have to see this video very carefully. Okay, guys? All right. Yes, Soumya.
I'll start the other video or continue the same video.
No, the other video. Just let this be on pause only and we can watch another video. Good job, Pooja. I really like how you have responded. Pooja, in the next video, I'm going to ask you to share what you shared with me in the private chat, okay?
Yes, Didi.
Amazing. All right. Good job, Misbah.
I'll
Okay,
start the
very
outro.
nice, Faizan. Yes, please start. Okay, guys, now concentrate.
That's the toughest man I know. Air Force veteran Vishwanath Sinha, my dad. I remember as a child, I was chased by an angry bull and I ran straight towards him crying. He held me in his arms and said, "Wipe those tears off. You are a man." I guess I stopped crying because I wanted to be like him, tough and strong. So no matter how hard you've taken a hit, no tears. And so I hid. I hid my pain like Dad would want me to. I did not want him to see my wounds, that I am weak. I was being a man. But this time, he didn't ask me to wipe my tears off. That moment changed it all. That's the day we both realized that showing what you really feel doesn't make you less of a man. Raising a strong boy also meant telling him it was okay. It was okay for boys to cry. Men can cry. Even soldiers can cry. Because our pain reveals the best in us.
Alright, bacha. Alright. Yeah, bhai.
We can stop the video somewhere and also the screen. Okay, amazing, guys. Who wants to tell me what was happening in the video? What was happening in the video? Who wants to tell me? I want. Somewhere Farzana is trying to call me. Can you call her?
Okay, I'll try to contact her.
Thank you. Okay, I want Sabah and then Habib and then Hurja to share your opinion. What was the video talking about? What did it make you feel? The message? Do you agree with the message? Yes or no? Yes, Sabah, go ahead.
Did the video talking about the boy can also cry and
who was the boy in the video? Does anybody know who was the boy in the video? The man in the video, who was that man?
soldier.
What was his name? Sabah, do you know?
Soldier.
दीदी मुझे मालूम है
Yes, Faizan.
एयर फोर्स वेटरन विश्वनाथ सिन्हा.
Very good. He is a soldier. He was in Air Force. Air Force is the military that works in air. Okay. All right. And his name was Vishwanath Sinha. Okay. What story is he talking about? He tells a story. What story is it? I'm going to ask Habib to answer. Habib, can you please unmute yourself? What story is he talking about?
Miss, the story is that he was crying. He was
Why was
all
he crying?
time because they are not goal and they are
No, something happened. That's why he was crying. What had happened?
He was go to military and go and fight.
No, no, Habib, think again. He said a story. I'm going to ask Purja to continue the story. Yes.
वो जो मैं आधी वीडियो देखा मेरा इंटरनेट अच्छा नहीं था.
Yeah, I know, Habib. No? So let's wait for Urja to update you on the story. Okay, Urja, you want to continue what was happening in the story? Which story was he talking about?
Yes, Didi, the man or the soldier was getting equal treatment to, and nobody was there to stop him of crying, and nobody is there to torture him for not saying don't cry, only boys can cry. Only girls can cry.
Yeah. So this is you talking about the message, how you think it's unequal. Okay, because the boys also can cry. But my question is, what was the story about? Can you see he was hospitalized and he had a lot of stitches here. Okay, could you see in the video, he had a lot of stitches. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे उसको टाके आ गए थे. Yes, Faizan, do you want to talk about that? Faizan, you have typed it in the chat box. Can you talk about it? Can you unmute yourself and talk about it? Okay, I'm just going to read what Faizan has said. Okay, he was shot on his jaw, and when he got repaired jaw, his father and son cried a lot. They both realized every human being can cry. Okay, Didi is just going to repeat the story for all of you. What happened? This boy, Vishwanath, okay, he was once chased by a bull. What is chasing? When somebody is running behind you. Okay, so he was chased by a bull, and bull ke jo horns rehte, that got stuck in his jaws, and his jaws were torn completely. Okay, then when he was crying, the father said, "Boys don't cry, please don't cry." Okay, and since then he was in so much pain. Then also he did not cry. Why? Because his father said, "Don't cry." But the pain grew so much that at one point he started crying. And his father came and he saw him crying, and he was in so much pain that father also realized it's unfair. And boys can cry, men can cry, soldiers can cry, all human beings on earth can cry because it is normal. Okay, it is one way of expressing your pain, and if somebody tells you don't cry, don't listen to that person. Okay, because it's unfair to you. Does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up if this is making sense to all of you. I'm loving the responses on the chat. Misbah, Sabah, Vivek, Sahil, Faizan, all of you are writing excellent responses. Okay, good job. I can see you there. Everybody is okay. Shifa, do you want to add something? Please unmute yourself.
Didi, in that story, you said that the bull horns get it, but he said in her when he is tied, that time he bull na.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is it called when you say that boys don't cry but girls can cry and all of that? This is called gender stereotype. When you say that only these people can cry and only these people can wear pink, only boys can wear blue, girls can wear pink, all of that, this is gender stereotype. Only boys can play football, girls cannot play football. This is all gender stereotype. Okay, guys? For the ones who have not written this down in your notebook, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to quickly write this down in your notebook. The time starts now. Misbah, you've raised hand. Do you want to share something in the last group? Or is it by mistake? I can see that you guys have started writing, some of you. The others, I'm assuming you're written this. Right? Should we move on? Okay, I'm just going to quickly move on. Guys, you're going to write today's date, today's day, and you're going to write the objective. Quickly, I want you to take 1 minute and quickly write down the date, the day, and the objective for today. I can see Nausheen has started writing, Sabah has started writing, amazing, good job. Sifa has started writing, Habib is writing, Vivek is done writing. I can see Shubham is writing. Shubham, quickly, are you sitting in your smart position, Shubham? Okay. I can see that a lot of you have kept your cameras off. I would request you to keep your cameras on. Okay, it's very important for you to keep your cameras on. Tanya, are you done writing? If you're done writing, guys, give me a thumbs up so baby knows that you're done writing. Hi, Nisba, are you done writing? If yes, give me a thumbs up. I can see Sabita is writing. Sushi is writing. Waiting for you guys to completely write this down. Uja is right. Habib is done. Sabita is done. Faizan, Mohek Khan, Vivek, Fardeen, Sabah. I hope you guys are writing and I'm done writing. Sameer is writing. Hello, Zainab Kaushal. Please be on time. Okay, you're late for the class. Baba. Okay, Nausheen is done. Right? Yes.
Didi,
Yes.
I was late because my sister here was training a lot, no? So I went hospital with her for take medicine.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Quickly write down this objective. Okay, Zainab. Okay, Maruf is done. We are going to quickly move on. Okay. So what are we going to do today? Use our prior knowledge and experience to understand author's opinion. Okay. What is author's opinion? We have done this before. Author's opinion. What is author's opinion? Please raise your hand and Didi will come to you and you can share it in the last week. What is author's opinion? Sabha has raised her hand. I am going to ask Vivek to unmute himself and tell me what is author's opinion. What is author's opinion?
This author points of view that how author is feeling.
Very good.
And
Feeling and
telling about the story.
okay, very good. And that is feeling, and the other one is when you read a story, you get to know what author is feeling, but you also get to know what author is
thinking.
Very good. What author is thinking. Then of course, next time you're going to wait for the person to respond, and then I'll give you a chance. Okay? You don't have to unmute yourself like that. Thank you so much for responding. Okay, guys. Good job, Sabah, Jennifer, and Vivek. Soumya, Joyce is trying to call me. Can you reach out to her?
Yes, yes, okay.
Thank you. All right. Okay, so we are going to quickly move on. Today we are going to understand from this story what is the author trying to feel and what is the author trying to think. Okay, दो चीजें हम ये story से identify. We will try to identify is what author is feeling and what author is thinking. I want Zed Momin to unmute himself and tell me what are we going to do in this story. Zed Momin. Isn't Zed Momin in the class? Okay, I think Zed Momin has logged off. I want Shubham Chaube. Can you tell me what are we doing in this story? Shubham? Yes. What are we doing in this story?
Didi, we are going to find it, identify what author must be thinking and identify what author must be feeling.
Very good. Pat on your back. Amazing. Okay. Now we are going to read this book, Rainbow Boys. What do you understand from the title Rainbow Boys? What do you think the story is going to be about? When you look at the title, what do you think the story is going to be about? I'm going to ask Mehak Khan to unmute herself and answer. And you need to do that in next 10 seconds. Okay, Mehak? Next I'm coming to Falak, so Falak, be ready. Mehak Khan, when you read the title Rainbow Boys, what do you think the story is going to be about? Mehak, the rule is if you keep your cameras off, you need to respond within 10 seconds. Yes, Falak, please. Yes, go ahead, Mehak.
I think the story is about the boys.
Yeah, but what do you mean by Rainbow Boys? Of course, the story is about boys, but what do you think the story is going to be about?
Seven
Think.
boys.
Huh? 7 boys. Okay. All right, that's a good guess. Falak, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself.
Didi, rainbow boys means different boys, and their choice are also different, and they are very different from each other.
Very good. That's a very good answer. Okay. Rainbow boys could be that all of these boys are very, very different. Okay. And they also have different choices. Okay. And they also think differently, look differently. Okay.
Yeah.
That's exactly what the story is going to be about. We are going to see how. Okay. Now I'm going to ask Zoya to unmute herself and start reading.
Arey, you are crying, a boy crying. What are you wearing?
Yes. Continue reading.
Are you playing with a doll? Why do you have long hair?
Continue reading.
Who says all boys should be the same? They are not photocopies of one another. They are individuals.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much for reading, Zoya. All right. What do you mean by the word photocopy? What do you mean by the word photocopy? I can see a lot of you have raised your hand. I'm going to ask Maru to unmute himself. Yes, Maru. What do you mean by the word photocopy?
मिस वो फोटोकॉपी मतलब एक जैसी ड्राइंग करना, जैसे कि एक पेपर है उसको मशीन में डाल के दूसरी पेपर को निकालते, जीरोक्स.
Yes, Xerox. Okay, Xerox and photocopy. Pat on your back, Maru. That's the right answer. Okay. Okay. Who says all boys should be the same? They are not photocopies of one another. They are individuals. What does this sentence mean? They are not photocopies of one another. They are individuals. I'm going to ask Khushi to unmute herself, and Khushi, you need to answer. Okay, what do you mean by this sentence? Yes, Khushi. It's compulsory for you to answer, Khushi. Yes, Khushi, go ahead.
Means that they are same, but they are photocopies.
Okay. They are same, but they are photocopies. I'm going to read it again for you. Who says all boys should be the same? They are not photocopies of one another. They are individual. I'm going to come back to you. Okay, Khushi. Thank you so much for trying. I'm going to ask someone else to give it a shot. I am going to ask someone who has not given any answer so far. Zainab Kausar, and then I will come to Shapista. Yes, Zainab.
Didi, that means that everyone should not, if everyone will be same, this paragraph is saying that who says all the boys should be same? सब बॉस सेम होना चाहिए जैसे फोटोकॉपी जरा एक दूसरे के जैसे सेम टू सेम अगर ऐसा हुआ तो हम कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे
Alright, so Zainab is saying all boys should be same. They should be like photocopies. Okay, alright. Anybody else who has a different answer? I know I had asked Shabista. Shabista, please unmute yourself and go ahead. And then I will come to her.
Hello?
Yes, Shabista.
Didi, boys are not the photocopies like Xerox that they are all same. They are very individual and they how they want to say they will.
Okay, amazing. So Shabista is saying they are not like Xerox copies. They are individual and they cannot be the same. Okay, Habib, what do you think?
Miss, I think they are not same, they are photocopies because the hairstyle is same but their reaction are different and their height are very different.
Yes, correct. Okay, they are all very different. So, do you think they are Xerox of one another? Sabha is like they are not same, they are different than each other. Okay, so do you think they should be like photocopies?
Yes.
You think they should be like photocopies? Yes. You think they should be Xerox of each other?
No.
No.
मतलब दोनों सेम है
दोनों सेम है
पर अलग
okay
अलग
so
पर
you
अलग अलग
पर अलग अलग so do you think that you and Maruf are same?
No.
Do you think you should be same?
No.
Why?
Because my face is not matching her and my think is not matching her.
Okay,
my height is not matching.
Correct. Your thinking, your face, your height does not match. And should it match? Is it compulsory for you to match it with Maruf?
No.
No. Amazing. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. Sabha is also saying that if it matches, we will all get confused. Yeah. Okay. All right. Jose, am I audible? Am I audible to everybody? Joseph is saying I should say, am I audible, Soumya?
Yes, you're audible, Arzu.
Okay, amazing. All right, I am going to ask someone who has not read before to read. Samir, can you please unmute yourself and start reading, Samir?
He is tall, he is short, he is neither tall nor short. He is slightly fat, he is thin, he is neither fat or thin.
Yes. Keep reading. Keep reading, Samir.
He lost his leg in an accident that has not stopped him. He goes everywhere. He is
Sightless.
Sightless. Since childhood, he can do everything.
Amazing. Very well read. Okay, good job. Okay, now someone who wants to tell me what does the word sightless mean? He is sightless since childhood. I am going to ask Tanya, can you guess what the word sightless means?
I think that means
Sightless.
do anything.
Either look at this paragraph and tell me he is sightless since childhood. He can do everything. Look at the picture and try to identify what does the word sightless mean. Tanya, you can do it.
He was playing with the childhood.
Yes, he was playing since childhood. Sightless. What does that word mean?
बाद दूंगी अरे बात समझ बाद में दूंगी
Okay, Tanya. All right, I can see a lot of you have written it down. Sightless means that he does not have the eyes from childhood. Okay, that is what a lot of your friends have replied on the chat box. Okay, sightless means someone who is not able to see since childhood. Okay, that person is known as sightless. Anybody who cannot see is known as sightless. Sight matlab to see and less means cannot. So cannot see is known as sightless. Okay, I want you to take your book and write this word down, everybody. It is also writing in the chat box, so you know the spelling is right. Quickly take a second and quickly write this down. One of you have kept your cell phone not on mute. Can you please keep yourself on mute? I don't know who that is, but I can hear a lot of noise.
Didi, we have to write the meaning of sightless.
Yes. Come back in 30 seconds. Quickly write this down on your notebook and then come back in 30 seconds. Okay. And then I am going to ask Fardeen to be ready to explain me what is happening in this slide. What are these two characters and what is the author trying to say from these characters? Fardeen, be ready. I'm going to ask you. Yes, Fardeen. Go ahead. Explain what's happening in this slide. Joyce, you don't have to write this. You only have to write the word sightless and the meaning. Okay. I want Fardeen to come off mute. Fardeen, are you in the class? The rule is if you have kept your camera off, you need to be present in next 10 seconds. Fardeen? Yeah. I think I've lost them. Fardeen, please come back in the classroom. And I'm going to ask Ms. Ba, can you please explain what's happening with these two characters?
Didi, the first character has lost his leg, and then also he's walking around, and second one is sightless, means blind. Then also he is playing music, and he is from childhood he is blind. Then also he is doing everything what do you want.
Amazing. All right. Very well explained. Good job. We are going to move on to the next one. I'm going to ask let me see who can read. I'm going to ask Joseph, can you come off mute and start reading? Joseph, can you come off mute and start reading?
Yes. Some boys like the shoot and bully her friend. Some are grand. They don't keep fighting and let help.
We cannot.
Yes, Shita, I can hear him. I'm going to repeat it for all of you, okay? All right, thank you so much, Joseph. All right, well read. Only if we could hear you, but that's completely okay, okay? So some boys like to shout and bully their friends. Some are gentle, they don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. Can you tell me, some boys like to shout and bully. What does the word bully mean? What does the word bully mean? Bully their friends. Bully. Faizan, you want to unmute and answer? Yes, Faizan. Waiting for you to respond quickly. Palak, Misbah, and Shabita, I will try, okay? Not promising, I will try. A person who uses his strength or power to hurt or frighten people who are weaker, okay? It's not always the person who is weak. Sometimes you have that one friend who tries to hurt you, or use his power or use her power to make you feel bad. Do you have such friends, guys? Yeah, I can see a lot of you have raised your hand. I'm going to come to one of you to tell me, do you have such friends who make you feel bad about yourself or hurt you, who tease you? Faizan is saying no. Sabah is saying yes. Good job, Hurja. To tease anyone without asking for consent. Okay? Without taking their permission, you tease them. Okay? Yes. All right. Yes, Zainab Kausar is saying yes. She has friends who tease them without their permission or bully them. Okay? If you don't have, then you guys are very, very lucky. Don't worry. Okay? All right. We are going to quickly move on. Okay. Some are gentle. They don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. Lend a helping hand to all. Joycey, what does this mean? Joycey, lend a helping hand means what? Some boys are gentle, they don't pick fights and lend a helping hand to all. What does this mean, Joycey?
Didi, that means some boys मतलब थोड़े बॉयज होते हैं, उन लोगों को ना उन लोगों को शाउट करना अच्छा लगता है, और थोड़े जन रहते हैं कि वीकनेस वाले फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं. क्या तो था वो, लेकिन तो समझने नहीं आया. बोल क्या था ना, आपने बोला था वर्ड इधर का BULLY.
Bully, yes.
और वो समझने नहीं आया दीदी.
Bully मतलब when a friend uses his or her power to hurt you or is mean to you or teases you, उसको बोलते हैं bully. Okay? Okay. Got it? All right. Thank you so much, Joycey, for answering. I'm going to ask Shifa, what do you mean by lend a helping hand?
Help everyone.
Very good. Okay. Help everyone. Lend a helping hand means helping everyone. Okay. Now I'm going to ask who. Let's see who I can ask to read. Someone who has not. Nausheen. Nausheen Ansari, please unmute yourself and start reading. Nausheen, you haven't unmuted yourself, Baba. Yes.
Some love to see and kind and are we good at it?
Continue.
Some love to study and have no interest in game. Someone love to play, and if they had their way, they would play the whole day.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Okay. Which are the 3 types of boys that are described here? 3 characters that are described here. 3 characters. What is the first character like? Oh God, sorry. What is the first character like? I want to raise their hand so that I can come to them. What is the first character like? Okay, Sabah, can you please unmute yourself and answer? What is the first character like? Yes, Sabah. Sabah, can you guys hear me?
See you clothes. Who love to see you clothes.
So close and are very good at it. Some are very good at sewing clothes, okay, making new clothes, making creative designs on the cloth, okay. All right. What are the second types of boys? I'm going to ask Maru to unmute and answer. Yes. What is the second character like? What is the second character like? I will then come to Maru. Yes. What is the second character like? How is the second character? What does second character like to do?
He is he want to play the whole day.
He wants to play the whole day. That is the third character, Ruja. Okay, and you have to raise your hand, and I will come to you when you want to. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. The third character loves to play, and if it was up to them, they would play the whole day. What is the second character? What does the second character love to do? Okay, I'm going to ask Sanya to give me the answer. Sanya, what does the second character love to do?
The second character loves to do studying and interest.
And does that character have interest in games?
Yes.
Yes. But here it says some love to study and have no interest in games. What does that mean, Sanya?
He is interested in studying, not in games.
Amazing. Good job. Well done. All right. I am going to come to this one. I want someone who has not read anything yet. I am going to ask Misbah to read. Yes, Miss.
Loves colorful, frilly clothes. Sometimes he wears these dresses. You should raise your hand, Joseph.
I will repeat, okay? Don't worry, Hussein. Yes, continue, Misbah.
Sometimes he wears Didi's dresses. Ma says no, but he says, Ma, if Didi can wear it, why can't I?
Amazing. Thank you so much, Misbah. Okay. He loves colorful, frilly clothes. Sometimes he wears Didi's dresses. Ma says no, but he says, Ma, if Didi can wear it, why can't I? Okay. Tell me, what do you understand from this passage? What does this character like to do? I am going to ask Palak to unmute herself and tell me what does this character like to do, Palak. Oh, I think Palak has dropped off. I am going to ask Gullu to respond. Gullu, what does this character like to do? Gullu, what does this character? Okay, cool. All right. I'm going to ask Habib to unmute himself and answer. Yes, Habib. What does
Miss,
this character
the girl like to wear the colorful clothes.
Okay. Is it a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Boy likes to wear, this character likes to wear colorful clothes. Whose clothes does he wear? Whose clothes does he wear? I'm going to ask Urja to respond. Urja, whose clothes does he wear?
His Didi's.
Yes. And what does the Ma respond to that, Urja? How does the Ma react? What does she say? Characters Ma, what does she say?
She say you can't wear, and then the boy says if Didi can wear, why I can't?
Yes, correct. Okay. So here they are trying to say that if the Didi can wear it, why can't I? So the boy is saying that if my sister can wear colorful and freely clothes, why can't I wear it? Okay. All right. The last one. We are almost done, Habib. Don't worry, okay? We will be done in the next 15 minutes. All right, Joyce, I'm going to ask you to read this one for me. Joyce, please unmute yourself and start reading this one.
He loves trees. He had plant many trees and takes care of them.
Okay. All right. Okay, so what does this character like to do? What does this character like to do? I'm going to ask Fardeen to unmute himself and answer. What does this character like to do, Fardeen? Fardeen, what does this character like to do? I don't think these guys can hear me. Maruf, can you unmute yourself and answer? What does this character like to do? The ones who know the answer already, you can message me in the private chat. What does this character like to do, Maruf? Maruf, I can't hear you. I know you are speaking something, but it's not audible. Can't hear you, Maruf. Please take out your hands-free and put it back again in your phone. Maybe then I will be able to hear you better. Okay, I will come back to you, Maruf. Thank you so much, Sabah, Sanya, Misbah. Okay, Shifa, can you please unmute yourself and share? What does this character like to do?
Hello, Miss.
Yes, Maruf, we can hear you. I will give you a chance to read next. Okay, Maruf, let Shifa answer. Yes, Shifa.
The character likes to take care of a plant and put new trees.
Yes, plant new trees and take care of the Plan. Good job, Shifa. All right. Yes, thank you so much, Vivek. I will ask you when I need a time check, okay? Maruf, can you read this line for me? Thank you so much, Tanya, Sabah, for giving the right answer.
Didi, can I read?
No, Zep, we are waiting for our friend, okay? Sorry, you already read, no one.
This Fardeen is teasing.
Fardeen, please sit in your smart position. You are in the classroom.
And Miss, he have one purse. He is tearing the purse.
Fardeen, can you keep everything aside?
This my purse. I can do what I want. Why he is selling?
Yes, Fardeen, I'm going to. Fardeen, are you listening to
Do what
Didi?
can I want?
Of course, you can do whatever you want. Of course, you can do whatever you want, but not in the classroom. Okay? In the classroom, you're going to look at the slides, answer questions, be active. Okay? Not tear purses. Yes, Maru, go ahead. Still can't hear you, Maru. Can't hear you, Baba. I'm so sorry. I don't know, something is wrong with your hands. Please try to fix it, okay? Maru, can you fix it and be ready and ready to answer this question that I'm going to ask next? Until then, I'm going to ask someone else to read it, okay? Don't be disappointed. Yes. Fardeen, I want you to come off mute and read this out loud.
All children should be want to be because they are all individual.
Thank you so much for reading out loud, Maru. All children should be what they want to be because they are all individual. What does this line mean? What do you mean by this line? All children should be what they want to be. They are all individual. What does this line mean, Maru? If you want to give it a try, you want to unmute and see if you can speak and we can hear you. No, Maru, we can't. Can you type it in the chat box and I can read it out loud for all your friends? Okay, thank you. All right. Joyce C, can you please unmute yourself and answer? What does this line mean? All children should be what they want to be because they are all individuals.
What, Didi?
Can you tell me what does this line mean? The one in front of your screen, what does it mean? What is the author trying to tell you by this line? Am I audible, Soumya?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Joycey, maybe you can leave and join, Baba.
Okay, one second. Sorry. I don't know why this is happening. Give me a second. Yeah. All right. What does this line mean? I'm going to ask someone else to answer. Please raise your hand so that I can complete it. I'm going to ask Zoya to answer. What does this mean? All children should be what they want to be because they are all individuals. Zoya Zafar, can you please unmute yourself?
All students can be what they want because they have to right to become.
You are saying it right. You're
And
going the
because
right
they are individuals.
What does the word individual mean? They are individuals. To get what does that mean? All are different. Okay, all are very, very unique also. Unique. Okay. For example, a certain way, I'm pretty sure Arzu Didi cannot be like Zoya and Zoya cannot be like Arzu Didi because Zoya is very unique and so is Arzu Didi. Alright, guys, with that we are done reading. What you're going to do is you're going to quickly write down based on your knowledge and experience, what do you think is author's point of view? in this story that you read, what was author's point of view? You are going to take 2 minutes to write it down, and then you're going to share it with everybody in the large group. I want you to start writing. I want you to write that what do you think the author's point of view is in this story. What is he trying to tell you in this story? And I want you to write it in 5 to 6 lines, not 1 and 2 lines. 5 to 6 lines. What do you understand by this story? Yes, Zoya.
Miss,
Yes, Habib.
can I share?
Habib, I want you to first write it down. 5 to 6 lines, you have to write it down in your notebook. I want everybody writing. Okay? Sameer, please start writing. I can see Habib has started writing. I can see Sameer is starting to write. I can see Sabah is writing. I can see Sanya is writing. Huzef, I want you to write it down, Huzef. Thank you, Baba. I can see Maruf is writing. Amazing. Pooja, Faizan, I can't see you guys, but I hope you guys are writing. Joyce, I am telling you to write down what you have understood from this story. What do you think is author's point of view? What is the author trying to tell you? What is he feeling from this story? You have to write this down in your notebook in 5 to 6 lines. Sabah, you've raised your hand. Do you have a doubt? Or is it by mistake? By mistake? Okay, it's okay. Alright. Very good. I like how Sanya is thinking and writing and not just writing. You also have to think when you have to write something. Your thoughts need to be clear when you want to write. So think and then write. Don't just write. Shifa is done. Amazing. I want you to take time.
Yes. I can share another screen. That take 2 minutes and write on your answers in your notebook.
Yeah, look, here is there, no, based on your knowledge and experience, what do you think is also?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. Take your time, think and write. 5 to 6 lines. Okay, Habib is done. Amazing. I can see Sameer is still writing. I can see Sabah is writing. I can see Habib is writing. Good job. Maruf, are you done? Okay, amazing. Thank you. Waiting for Mr. Team, Vivek and Fardeen, Faizan. Vivek, I want you to write. I don't want you to give me a time check. I want you to write. Please write down your answer. Habib, you can't leave the class. I'm sorry. You have to leave the class by 2:15. Before that, you're not.
with my work.
Are you done with your work? Amazing, Urja. Thank you so much for sharing. Amazing. Joyce is done too. Shifa, you can't leave before sharing. Okay, so we are going to wait for everybody to get done. Faizan, beautifully and neatly written. I don't know what's written, but I see it's neatly written. So good job. Okay, yes, you will get a chance to read it out loud. Okay, and share it in the large group. Okay, I'm going to wait for 30 more seconds for the ones who are not written or are still writing. I can see Sabah, Sanya are still writing. I'm just going to wait for you guys 30 more seconds, okay? I like how you guys are thinking and writing. All right. Sanya and Sabah, show me how many minutes will you take. Sabah is done. Sanya, show me how many minutes will you take. Done? Okay, amazing. All right. I'm going to ask a couple of you to share your answers. I can't take everybody's answer because we don't have that much time, but I will ask 3 people to share their answers and the rest of you can send your answers to me in the WhatsApp chat. Okay? Okay, I'm going to ask Urja to share. I'm going to ask Samir to share. And I'm going to ask Vivek to share. Vivek, Samir and Urja, you guys are sharing what you have written. Okay, I'm going to start off with Urja. Tanya, Sabah, Uzair, Joyce, Habib, Shifa, really appreciate how you're raising your hands, and I really appreciate how you've written your answers. I would love to read your answers too. Okay? Yes. Urja, go ahead.
And he is trying to convey us that there is no difference in girls or boys, and everyone can do whatever they want to because they have rights for it and get equal treatment. We can do whatever we want because we are individual and it's our choice.
Amazing. Good job, Urja. Very well written. I'm going to ask Samir to unmute himself and share his answer. Yes, Samir. Samir, unmute yourself and share your answer. Samir, the rule is you did not write, Samir. Please write it down after the class and share it with me, okay? Okay, please make sure that next time when Didi is giving you time to write, you are writing it down in your notes. Vivek, can you please unmute yourself and share the answer? Vivek? Habib, you're going to wait for your friends. That's disrespect when you leave your friends like that. Okay? You're a good boy. Yes. Vivek, I don't think you can hear me. Vivek, I think we will have to have a conversation after this class. Joyce C, do you want to unmute yourself and share your opinion?
Yes, Didi.
What do you think? Vivek, I am asking you to share your answer. Can you hear me? Vivek, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
I was dropped down. मैं इंटरनेट खराब था इसलिए कॉल से बाहर आ गया था.
Okay. Now can you hear me? Can you share your answer?
हाँ, अभी सुनाई दे रहे.
बोलो.
क्या बोलना था दीदी वैसे?
आपको एक आंसर लिखने के लिए कहा था ना कि what did you think of the story? What was author's point?
Didi, I think that everyone is unique and everyone has choice to do what they want to do.
Okay. How many lines did I ask you to write, Vivek?
अरे ये कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
Oh, then you ask. There is always an option of ask. Next time you're going to ask me. Okay? Thank you. Yes, Joyce, can you please unmute yourself and share?
The author's point is he was telling that each and person habits.
Okay, each person has habits. Okay, and that's it. Joyce, how many lines did Didi ask you to write, Baba? 5 to 6. How many lines did you say? 1. Very bad. Okay, all of you guys, those who have written only 1 or 2 lines, I'm going to give you time till the end of the day. Please write it down and give it to me. Okay. Really appreciate Tanya, Misbah, Faizan for typing your responses. Please send it to me in the personal chat. It's okay, Joyce. Please be more careful. For Dean and Vivek, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Please unmute yourself. Say bye to your friends and please send me your answers. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Oh my God. Okay.
Bye. Bye bye to everyone. Bye.
Faizan group. Okay.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
Supposed to remind.
Bye.
Kamya, can you stop the
Bye, Kamya Didi. Bye.